Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Walmart and we have some decent Ibotta rebates. But before we get into anything, Ibotta gave us a new monthly bonus and mine is massive, which I don't think I'm gonna hit. Come on Ibotta, be realistic here. I want to know in the comments what y'all got, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna hit mine, but it's just what it is at this point. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm the third shift couponer. I go couponing after my third shift job. My hair is a hot mess today, so just ignore the hat. There is a printable breakdown just in case you guys need to check it out or want to check it out, print it off, take it to the store. But there's a subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of the channel as well. And without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. These Dove Men Plus Care, this specific charcoal and clay, or the 2-in ones are $7.88. You're gonna take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta for $2, and then on Shopkick, make sure you're scanning the specific one you're grabbing into Shopkick. I believe they all should work so they're the right ounces, but it never hurts to check. And you'll get 1,000 kicks. To find the kick amount, $2 amount, you'll take the kicks. In this case, it's 1,000, and you'll times it by 0.004, and you'll get your dollar amount. So this case, it's $4, making one of these after Ibotta and Shopkick just $1.88. Y'all, look what I found. It is the only peeling hang tag that I see. So yeah, I'm gonna grab it, but I'm gonna see what Ibotta has. Okay, so Ibotta I don't have any rebates for the cheaper ones for Ibotta, so it's on the 247 ones or more. The limited edition ones did scan. Well, I scanned the toasted vanilla, but we'll use one of these, pay $1.47, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents, making it just 97 cents. Y'all see this? $6 for the Cetaphil. It's only on this one that my store has left. We have $2.50 on Ibotta for this, making it $3.50. We have cheap lotion if you like the Billy brand. I didn't know they made lotion. I know they made deodorant, but this is on clearance for $2.50 for this aloe vera one. Here is the UPC if you guys want it. So now's the time to start looking for holiday gifts. So these Beast, whatever these are, I talked about them a while ago. They're down to mini blenders. They're down to $60 for each one. My store I saw someone just carry away this one. That's what made me think of it, because I was like, oh yeah, that was on clearance. So now's the time to keep an eye out, grab things. That way you're not paying a lot around the holidays if you don't have to, and you can slowly find perfect gifts for people. Y'all, look at all these clearance tags. Pens, pencils, coloring stuff. Now I know some of them aren't the best clearance yet, but it can't hurt to go through, and especially if you use this stuff throughout the year, like construction paper and all those, and see what kind of prices they are, and if you need them, stock up, or if your store has a lot, you can probably wait. But definitely check your school supply area. Coloring books, paint by number things. I don't know what this hot mess of an area is. Oh, like notebooks and stuff. Super easy deal on the Finish Ultimate. It is the 11 tab. It is $4.94. Submit to Ibotta for $1, making it just $3.94. Easy deal on salsa. You're gonna look for this Herdez chunky salsa. They're $2.82. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1.50, making it $1.32. Grab this Herdez salsa. It is $2.77. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1, making it just $1.77. These Royal Rice packets are on clearance for $1.50. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents, making them just $1.25. These Del Monte Escapes, this deal is still valid. It's on the twin packs. They're $3.27. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1.50, making them $1.77 each, so pretty close to half off. Y'all remember how last week I talked about all that clearance cereal? It is gone. I cannot find it anywhere. No end cap around here, no clearance area. Like, someone bought it all. It's crazy. So C4 energy drinks are normal price at $2.72. Y'all submit to Ibotta for 25 cents, making them $2.47. Not the best deal, but I drink these anyway, so it's better than paying full price. So these Oikos fusion drinks are $2.17. Submit to Ibotta for 65 cents, making them $1.52. Y'all, look what I just found on the floor while I was walking down this aisle. Obviously it goes on all products. I literally looked on all of them. Ironic, all of them. Found that one sitting on the shelf. This one was on the floor, so I'm assuming someone grabbed them all and dropped this one. Didn't realize it, so you get a free sample of dryer sheets and a $2 coupon for any all free and clear dryer sheets. So I might as well use that. Grab one of these for the $3.74. Use that $2 hang tag, so I'll make it just $1.74 is what I pay at the register. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents, making it 99 cents. Alright, y'all, I finally found it. So it's on the Mountain Dew trolleys. These are $2.38. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents, making it $2.13. Not the best deal, but I love Mountain Dew and I want to try it, so. And it's a zero sugar one. Select Pepsi products are $2.38. You're going to look for the 20-ounce bottles. It works on the regular, the diet, or the zero sugar. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1, making them $1.38. Y'all, when I was putting my deals together today for the Light and Fit, I couldn't believe that this was $2.72 and the rest are $1.22. I did come in store to verify this. Like, this is crazy. Why is this one over double the normal price? Anyway, the birthday cake one is $2.72. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents, making it $2.22. Or you can grab two of the regular ones for $1.22 each. Your total will be $2.44. On Ibotta, we have 75 cents off when buying two, making them $1.69 for both. And we do have a $1 bonus for grabbing both. So if you grab both of them, it will be $3.91 after Ibotta, the two Ibotta rebates, then minus that $1 bonus. It'll make them $2.91 for all three. Not the best deal, but if you wanted to try that, that's probably the best way to save your money and get the most bang for your buck. This Smart Water, this is the alkaline water. It is on rollback for $1.88. You'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents, making it just $1.13. So we have a pretty good deal on these mods filled bars. They are $2.97. You'll submit to Fetch Rewards for 2,400 fetch points, which is $2.40, making one of these just 57 cents. So this is by far my favorite deal, and I just happened to stumble across it. Same with the Mott's one, but these Pitmaster soups are $2.48. You'll submit to Ibotta for 50 cents, and then on Fetch, which we used to have 50 cents there, but now I have an offer, a limited one for 2,500 fetch points, which is $2.50, making one of these a 52-cent moneymaker. Alright, y'all, this is everything I'm grabbing today. I'm stocking up on drinks, really. Alright, y'all, we're back in from checkout, and let me tell you how crazy the weather got while I was inside the store. It got super dark, super freaking windy. Yeah, last time I checked, it was supposed to, like, drizzle a little bit, and, yeah. Oh, well. Anyway, so I grabbed everything that I showed you in the cart. So for the two Peely or hang tag coupons, you can see here the $2 for the all came off, and then the $1 for the hand wash. So my subtotal was $57.65, right? I submitted to Ibotta for $15.70. Then I have my whatever it's called. It's the bonus for 18 offers for $5 and 18 more offers towards that unbelievably high one. And then I submitted to fetch rewards for $2.52. And then on Shopkick for 12 whole doll hairs, making my grand total $22.43. Yes, that is a lot of money, but yes, I personally do drink I drink zero sugar energy drinks. I drink 2 of them every day. I'm probably gonna have to scale that down to like 1 a day. And then I drink 0 sugar soda when I do drink soda, so I'm always willing to stock up on that, especially bottles. I prefer bottles versus cans. I don't know what it is about having a bottle versus a can. Maybe in my mind I don't get as flat as fast. Well, anyway, so yeah, hopefully you guys get to grab some of these amazing deals. Guys, I just realized I forgot to grab the Mountain Dew in store. I filmed it, right? I forgot to grab it. I knew I was forgetting something, I just couldn't put my finger on it. Oh, that's so sad. I'm not going inside to grab it. It'll be here next time, hopefully. Oh, I really wanted to try that. Oh my goodness. Oh well. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.